What if I told you the cake on your plate was never touched by human hands? What if all that sweetness and fluff were the result of cold, calculating machines, not a passionate baker? Could automation be stealing the magic of food creation? And in a world where millions of cakes are churned out every day, are we losing the soul of baking? Or is this the future we've been waiting for? Welcome to the fascinating world of automatic cake factories, where precision, innovation, and a touch of controversy collide to create millions of cakes, all in record time. Get ready to discover the secrets behind the sweet, velvety layers you love, crafted by technology, not tradition. Stay tuned, because what you're about to see might change the way you think about the food we consume every day. It all begins with cleanliness. Every worker steps into this high-tech bakery, ready to bring their expertise to the process. But before they can get to work, the first step is ensuring a clean, sanitized environment. The floor gleams, the counters are spotless, and every surface is scrubbed with meticulous care. The team puts on their gear gloves on, aprons tied, prepared to create the perfect treat. But cleanliness isn't just for show. It's a key part of what ensures the final product is not only delicious, but also safe for consumption. It's time to begin. But that's not all. This is where the magic happens. Not with hands, but with machines that seamlessly blend, mix, and mold ingredients into perfection, doing the work of dozens of people with unflinching accuracy. Let's take a deeper look at the star ingredients. First, the flour, sugar, eggs, and other essential components. These ingredients enter the machines one by one, carefully metered to ensure that every batch is the perfect blend. No guesswork here. Each ingredient is added in precise amounts according to the recipe's exacting specifications. These ingredients must combine perfectly, and the magic happens when they meet, forming a smooth, velvety batter that will become the base of thousands of cakes. As the batter forms, it's a delicate process of balancing texture, viscosity, and flavor. Next, the batter is funneled into molds, each one capable of creating hundreds of cakes in just a few minutes. The batter is carefully poured, the molds automatically adjusted to ensure that no excess is wasted. But this isn't just any batter. It's the foundation for perfection, and these machines handle it with the utmost precision, ensuring the right texture and thickness every single time. No variation, no inconsistency. Whether you're baking hundreds or thousands, each cake is virtually identical to the last. And then the oven takes over. As the cakes move into the massive automated ovens, it's clear that the baking process is in the hands of machines that know exactly what they're doing. Just like a chef knows exactly when the cake is perfectly done, these ovens maintain a precise temperature that ensures uniform cooking. The ovens ensure the cakes rise to their fullest potential, neither burning nor undercooking. The heat is controlled with the accuracy of a surgeon's scalpel, guaranteeing the cakes come out golden brown, soft, and springy every time. These ovens don't just bake cakes, they sculpt them, molding them into perfect rounds with a light, airy texture that defines the ideal cake. Now comes the delicate process of slicing. These automatic cutters are far from your average knife. They are high-precision machines designed to carefully slice through each cake into layers, ensuring that the cakes are divided evenly. 3 to 4 layers per cake, perfect for holding the frosting and creating that airy, melt-in-your-mouth experience. The slicing is so exact, it's as if each layer was pre-planned and pre-measured. No crumbs, no mess, just pristine layers that are ready for the next stage. And who doesn't love a good frosting? This is where the next wave of technology takes over the creation of the icing. The frosting machines churn out tons of smooth, creamy frosting in record time, ready to be spread between layers of cake. Watch as robotic arms effortlessly lift and move large piping bags of frosting with perfect precision, applying layer after layer of creamy perfection. It's like watching a ballet, each move calculated and synchronized to achieve a seamless result. From traditional buttercream to silky ganache, these machines deliver the perfect consistency, ensuring the frosting is neither too thick nor too runny. The frosting is carefully spread between each layer of cake, ensuring that every bite will be filled with a sweet, creamy burst of flavor. These machines don't just apply frosting, they make sure it's smooth, evenly spread, and perfectly layered, so you can taste the perfect balance of cake and icing with each forkful. Every detail matters, from the distribution of frosting between each layer to the delicate crumb coat that seals the cake before the final decoration. From classic vanilla cakes to rich chocolate cakes, these machines work tirelessly to create a variety of desserts. The sight of a chocolate cake being covered with a glossy layer of smooth, rich chocolate frosting is enough to make anyone's mouth water. The contrasting tones of the chocolate and vanilla cakes, each topped with its own unique frosting, create a visual feast that's almost too beautiful to eat. Almost. But that's just the beginning. The real artistry comes with the final touches. Now the fun begins. Watch as the robots add intricate details to each cake, transforming them into works of art. Macarons are delicately placed around the edges, swirls of frosting piped in perfect precision. The design of each cake is a masterpiece, every flourish intentional and balanced. These machines can even pipe personalized messages like happy birthdays, anniversaries, or just a simple enjoy with the same finesse as a skilled pastry chef. It's like having a personal cake decorator on demand who works tirelessly to make each cake not only delicious, but also uniquely tailored to the customer. For some cakes, like the classic chocolate cake, the frosting is the star of the show. The machines ensure that the frosting is rich, creamy, and spread evenly across the entire cake, ensuring that every slice will offer the perfect ratio of cake to frosting. A few final touches, perhaps a delicate dusting of coconut, a sprinkle of chocolate shavings, or a touch of raspberry drizzle complete the cake. The possibilities are endless, and the creativity of these machines knows no bounds. These robots can do it all. From creating unique designs to adding personalized messages, no detail is too small. Every layer of frosting, every macaroon, and every chocolate swirl is carefully placed to make sure that the cake is as beautiful as it is delicious. The cakes are more than just desserts. They are a testament to the incredible precision and innovation of the bakery's automated systems. Once the cakes are perfectly decorated, they travel down the conveyor belt to the packaging station. Here, they are gently placed into boxes, ready to be shipped out to stores and onto your dining table. The entire process from mixing to packaging is automated, ensuring that each cake meets the same high standards of quality, freshness, and taste. The cakes are inspected for imperfections and carefully sealed in protective packaging to ensure they arrive in perfect condition. And just like that, millions of cakes are made, packed, and shipped across the world. From birthday cakes to wedding cakes, from everyday treats to indulgent delights, these factories are the heart of the cake industry, producing sweets that bring joy to millions. With each automated step, they deliver not just a product, but an experience. A little piece of sweetness that brings people together, one cake at a time. Whether you're celebrating a special occasion or just enjoying a moment of indulgence, these high-tech bakeries are behind the scenes, making it all possible. So next time you grab a slice of your favorite cake, remember the incredible process that goes into creating it. Machines, precision, and a whole lot of love for the sweet things in life. And hey, if you're curious about how other delicious foods are made in factories, stay tuned. We've got more behind-the-scenes tours from chocolate to pasta to meal boxes and beyond. Drop your comments below. What food factory would you like to see next? And remember, every great cake is made with love and a little bit of automation.